Hoogly Met Coke, India's finest metallurgical coke, is produced by Tata Steel, the torchbearer of Indian industrialization and the champions of indigenous technology. HMC has set benchmarks in terms of size and quality of metallurgical coke. They are bigger and stronger and most suitable for high-volume blast furnaces. It is Asia's largest single-location, standalone coke unit run by a group of young, innovative, enterprising, environmentally and socially aware team that is forever focused on quality at the plant level and throughout its numerous affirmative action initiatives. Perfect Coke is not just a turn of phrase at HMC. It means that the procurement logistics are perfect, the processes are professional, the product is a zero-polluting one, and the Coke delights its customers, even as it optimizes the use of Indian coal from Tata Steel's captive mines and blends it with imported coals to achieve a remarkable CSR of 66%. Haldia offers the perfect location. On the river, close to the Haldia dock complex, with access to the Bay of Bengal, and yet not too far from the Tata Steel plant. Every step in the process is foolproof. The coking coal arriving at HMC in railway wagon is unloaded with the help of wagon tipplers. The stacker then stakes the material, after which they are sent to the crusher on a conveyor system and then to the blending silo. The blended coal is fed into the ovens and baked for 64 hours at a minimum temperature of 1300 degrees centigrade. After completing the coking process, the red-hot coke is trayed out to the quenching tower, where it is showered with water jets and cooled. The quenched coke is sent through conveyors and stacked in the coke yard. The HMC coke, ready to dispatch, is transferred to the wagon with the help of a reclaimer. And dispatched to Tata Steel's Jamshedpur plant. The CSR, the strength at room temperature, abrasion resistance, and size of the coke, everything is in tune with Tata Steel's requirement and at par with international parameters. Non-recovery ovens is the technology used at HMC. This means that the entire feedstock is consumed in making high-quality coke and fully combusted flue gas. The flue gas supplied at temperatures of 900 to 1000 degrees centigrade is used for electricity generation with zero emissions. Utilizing the waste heat produced by HMC, Tata Power produces 120 megawatts power, of which only 4 megawatts is consumed by HMC for its ancillary requirements. HMC not only ensures statutory compliance but also maintains emission levels far below the norms. Many measures shore up the environmental protection outside and inside the plant. Synchronized spraying of water by sprinklers in the coal yard and other dust-intensive areas of the plant. Mobile vacuum cleaning for arresting dust particulate, and fully recycling quenching water in the process with zero discharge in surface drain. Many more environmental protection measures are in the offing, using chemicals on road and coal heap to control dust emission, garland drain, three-tiered tree plantation along the factory wall, cluster of fruit trees, use of renewable energy with solar lighting, rainwater harvesting, and many such. There is, however, much more that HMC represents. It represents the best in corporate citizenship, courtesy a youthful brigade. The average age of the employee is 28, that has mastered technology and wants to master the future. A great sense of pride comes from HMC's support to literacy and healthcare initiatives. It provides ambulances, organizes medical camps. The community is welcome into the company as 250 pass-outs from the local ITI are trained at Tata Steel's Savak Nanavati Training Institute at Jamshedpur. Since January 1st, 2008, Hoogly Met Coke has developed over 4 phases to achieve its 1.6 million tons per annum capacity of Met Coke. HMC, where the pedigree is perfect and the product a delight to use.